Welcome to Exam Sale. This voiceover walks you through the syllabus for the SAP Certified Application Associate in SAP S/4HANA Asset Management in a clear and focused way. Overview of the exam structure and domain weights. Technical objects 13%, corrective maintenance 13%, preventive maintenance 13%, mobile maintenance 11%, organizational structures 10%, breakdown maintenance 10%, refurbishment of spare parts 10%, project-oriented maintenance 10%, and analytics and reporting 10%. Each domain lists learning focus, difficulty, estimated study time, and assessment type so you can plan a balanced study path. Technical objects carries 13% of the exam and focuses on structuring and managing asset data in SAP S/4HANA Asset Management. This domain is medium difficulty with about 12 hours of study and uses conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn to model functional locations including spatial and process-oriented structures, configure identification masks and hierarchies, and perform mass changes. You will also master equipment management with categories and serial management, and create maintenance bombs and measuring points with counter handling and measurement transfer. Corrective maintenance is 13% and covers executing non-planned maintenance and repair cycles. This domain is hard, requires roughly 15 hours and is assessed with scenario-based questions. You will learn to configure and process maintenance notifications, record malfunctions, set up catalog profiles and workflows, and monitor priorities and statuses. You will also plan and execute maintenance orders, handle material planning, permits, scheduling, and perform order completion steps like time and material recording, TCO and cost settlement. Preventive maintenance is 13% and centers on designing and scheduling periodic maintenance tasks and strategies. This hard domain needs about 14 hours and includes conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will define general, equipment and functional task lists, manage operations and PRT assignments, and configure maintenance packages and cycles with inspection integration. You will also set up single cycle and strategy-based maintenance plans, handle multiple counter plans, adjust scheduling parameters, and monitor the maintenance schedule board and call objects. Mobile maintenance is 11% and explains how to use mobile solutions for on-site execution, focusing on SAP Asset Manager. This medium difficulty area requires around 8 hours and blends hands-on work with conceptual understanding. You will explore Asset Manager architecture, configure mobile personas and roles, and execute maintenance tasks on devices while managing offline data synchronization. The domain also covers GIS integration, attachments and digital signatures to support full mobile field operations. Organizational structures is 10% and teaches setup of enterprise structure for asset management in S/4HANA. This easy domain needs approximately 6 hours and is assessed conceptually and through scenarios. You will define maintenance plants and planning plants, assign planning plants to maintenance plants, and configure maintenance planner groups. You will also set up work centers and capacities and learn how asset management links to finance and controlling units. Breakdown maintenance is 10% and focuses on managing unplanned asset failures and downtime analysis. This medium difficulty domain requires about 8 hours and is scenario-based. You will configure breakdown notification types, record downtime and malfunction start and end, and calculate MTTR and MTBF. Integration with production systems to assess downtime impact is also covered so you can analyze business effects of breakdowns. Refurbishment of spare parts is 10% and covers the repair and valuation cycle of rotables and spare parts. This medium area needs about 10 hours and combines hands-on tasks with conceptual knowledge. You will configure refurbishment order types, manage split valuation for materials, and execute the core refurbishment cycle. Integration with inventory and material management is included, along with processes to withdraw and return parts to stock. Project-oriented maintenance is 10% and explains coordinating complex maintenance under project structures. This hard domain requires roughly 10 hours and is scenario-based to reflect real projects. You will link maintenance orders to WBS elements, schedule within the project system, and track budgets and costs via project accounting. The domain also covers shutdown and turnaround management and resource leveling across complex project portfolios. Analytics and reporting is 10% and teaches monitoring KPIs and asset performance using S/4HANA tools. This medium difficulty area needs about 7 hours and uses conceptual and scenario-based assessment. You will use SAP Fiori analytical apps and CDS-based maintenance reports, configure dashboards, and analyze technical object and order data. The domain also includes standard shop floor information system reporting for operational visibility. That covers every domain with exact weights, focus areas, difficulty levels and suggested study time, totaling about 100 hours of guided study. Use this map to prioritize the harder, higher weight domains and practice scenario-based tasks to prepare for the exam.